during the participation.
Serikali ya kitaifa na zile za kaunti zimetamalakiwa na kabila tano tu. Hani kwa mjibu wa ripoti ambayo imetolewa na Tume ya Uwiano na Utangamano wa Kitaifa NCIC. Kwenye ripoti hiyo, kabila tatu kwenye mashirika ya serikali, kabila ambazo zina nambari ya juu zaidi kwenye sekta hizi ni kabila za Kikuyu, Kalenjin na jamii ya Luo. Asilimia 52 zaidi ya nusu ya kabila hizo tatu ni huko asilimia 48 ikiwa ni kabila nyingine. Kulingana na NCIC, jamii zenye nambari ya chini zaidi zimetengwa sana kwenye uteuzi huo.
The distress call, and you can imagine what kind of call would divert a CS so that he may go and attend to a crisis. And the crisis, where, as Michael said, has to do with the security. So details cannot be divulged here in public. But yeah, it has to do with a matter of security. It's to do with the situation within the police, as you know what has been going on. The postponement of recruitment, police. The court, again, recruitment was to restart, then court, then now. I think it's the crisis around that matter, and therefore the CS are currently engaged in that crisis, and we, as he said, that we might not know exactly when that will end. And therefore, rather than sit now waiting for him, we have agreed that we will do the launch on his behalf, and there might be a moment that he might have to say something about that himself. And therefore, I will go ahead with the launch. But before that, I'll say something about the other two documents. Those don't have to do with the audit and therefore all the statistics, etc. But they are of a different nature. Before I do that, I wanted to introduce the commissioners of NCIC.
Na wazazi wamehimizwa kuwalinda wanao dhidi ya dhuluma